Hey, are you thinking about giving your home a fresh new look? At CS Roofing, we handle everything from small siding repairs to full replacements, and our installers are certified by CertainTeed, so you know it's done right. So whether you've experienced storm damage like this homeowner, noticed cracks or fading, or you're just ready for an upgrade, we've got you covered. Plus, we offer free estimates to make getting started easy. Give us a call today at 855-FIX-ROOF or head to fixroof.com. We're here to help.
Fixroof.com